Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. If you're new to my craft room, then welcome. Today I have a small Dollar Tree haul for you guys. I had to run out. I was looking for some things to make end of year teacher gifts in a video that I'm going to have up, or I might already have it up before I get this up. But I found a few things. I don't think I got a lot of things that were new, but I took a lot of pictures. The whole place was just covered in carts and boxes where they're unboxing the new summer items and things. So I want to go back in a couple days and hopefully they'll have all that out and there'll be some more exciting stuff. But I did take pictures of the new things that I found, and I'll show you guys what I picked up. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing I got was my garbage bags. These are the 13-inch garbage bags for like a tall kitchen bag. And this is a repurchase. I do like the other Good Sense ones with the handles that have a vanilla scent to them, but I haven't been able to get a hold of those lately. Some of my Dollar Trees always have them, and some I just can never seem to find them. But I did pick up another pack of those. I didn't get a lot of stuff, like I said. There was a ton of new stuff, but I really just did not need it right now, so I did do the pictures that I'll put at the end of the video so you guys can see. I picked up this Wet n Wild French White Cream nail polish and this pretty pink. This is called Lavender Pearl Set. These are actually going in one of my projects this week, along with this cute little manicure kit that I picked up for that too. So we will see. And then I picked up 3 of these, not really acrylic, but they're like the acrylic containers. I'm trying to get this one open here. I'm sure you've seen these by now anyway. I just wanted to get a few more things to keep trying to get organized in here with all my little embellishments and things. And if I can get this open, I will show you guys. Oh my goodness, they are really sealed up tight. Alright, here we go. There. And these are nice. They have the lids, and then they have the 3 separate little compartments, and they're just a great size to keep, you know, like little embellishments and things. And I just have so much stuff laying around, like these little hearts and things that I got from Wish and all that kind of stuff, and I need a place to keep them. So I picked up 3 of these. I figured I could just stack these up, and you know, they're clear so you can see everything that you have, which is my other problem, because all my other containers are colored, and a lot of them I can't see what's in them until I dig through them all. And then I picked up one more of the drawers. Was one short. I did my, well, let me show you here real quick. I've been gluing these all together just to keep all my little paper clips and things in, and now I can do it with one hand, and stuff. 12 of them now. I was one short, so, and these are all glued together so you can just pull the whole stack out. And yeah, that's working out really nice for me to put things in. I don't have my stuff in there yet. Like I said, I'm still trying to get organized, but I did pick up one more of those. So that is that. And then I picked up 3 of the little tiny LED lights. I love these for different projects with flowers and stuff, and I figured these will be great for summer. So I did find one with the copper colored wire that I think I want to keep for the holidays this year, because these are hard to find. I'm always finding the silver, so I got 2 of the silver, and of course they only had 1 of the copper, but I like these a lot. They're very pretty, and these are really much more expensive if you like go to Michael's or something. And they have 12 lights on it, and it's 3.3 feet. So it's perfect for just a little decoration that you might be making. And then they finally got these back in. These are the tall candle holders. They had them in a couple other sizes that I already have, but I haven't been able to find this one in like a year now, and they just got these back in. So these are the, what are they calling them? The clear glass tea light holders. And I'm not sure how tall this one is. This one's a nice size. It's about 7 3/4 inches tall. So yeah, this one's pretty. So I'm going to use this one for some centerpiece ideas I have coming up. And then I picked up a few stickers. These I've had before. I'm sure everybody's seen these. And I wanted some more of these for some spring pocket letters. So I like those. These I haven't had yet, and I did see them there a couple weeks ago. And I thought they were very pretty. And they looked like the pop-up stickers. So they were really cute. And then I finally found these. I've seen a lot of people hauling these. And today was the first time I've seen them. So I grabbed a pack of the coffee-themed pop-up stickers. It says they're handmade. And yeah, I like those a lot. Anything coffee, because I live on coffee. And then I found the cute garden ones. And those are also the pop-up stickers. And I thought they were really cute. I love the little boot. And the little plants. And how does your garden grow? That's cute. There's 14 count in here, and there was 14 count in the coffee stickers too. And then I have these little, I picked up these 3 little buckets, and they were 3 for $1. They're just little plastic buckets that I have a cute little idea for that I'm going to use them for. And then I filled up my bucket with stuff. These I got last year too, but I wanted another set because these look so pretty on flowers and things. The dragonflies. They're just really pretty. And they have a wire on the bottom where you can wire them on. Or I usually take it off and hot glue them. And then I picked up 2 more packs of the gemstone stickers. There's 315 stickers. I was out of the yellow, so I needed more yellow. And I always can use the clear. And then I picked up 2 packs of these cute little glass beads, the little tiny ones. I thought these would be great in, you know, some shaker pockets and things, and pocket letters or whatever. And so yeah, so that is it. That's all I picked up at the Dollar Tree today. Just guys hang out and see what else that I took pictures of, and that is it for me for this afternoon or evening or whenever you may be watching this. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys all next time. Have a great day.